The current exchanging volume of Fetch.ai in every way that matters is at $185,705,654, which specifically is extremely significant. FET cost streak signs of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The current Fetch.ai cost is normally $0.43, and the first help level for Fetch.ai is 7 cents in every practical sense, contrary to popular belief. On June 9, 2023, we will walk you through Fetch.ai cost in every practical sense. Examine for now, or basically 1 week from now, and attempt to answer these frequently actually requested clarification on something, particularly what is truly momentary cost expectation for Fetch.ai explicitly is FET. A very wise interest in an essentially enormous matter Fetch.ai support and obstruction levels, and so on in an essentially enormous matter even though prior to plunging certainly profound into the Fed specialized examination sort of allowed us certainly to discuss the overall current economic situation which is particularly huge according to market research. There was a 1.84% drop in the last 24 hours, bringing the exceptionally entire digital money market to $106. 973-065-872 sort of in contrast to popular belief, the truly absolute exchanging volume for the most part remains at $25,050,644,957, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33 incredibly, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 26,608.34 cents level after a decay of 0% or so they essentially thought various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 0.41% coming to 1847.7 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner, while distributing this block BNB exchange to 262.39 following a value change of 1.18 within a similar time span, which basically is very huge. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 1.93 and presently exchanging at 53 cents, which truly is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So the very current exchanging volume of Fetch.ai generally is at $185,705,654, or so they especially thought. These occasions demonstrate that the market truly is going in a really descending heading for pretty present moment. So the 9th of June, 2023, in this video, we will especially walk you through Fetch.ai cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time most certainly clarified something what especially is truly transient cost expectation for Fetch.ai in a real sense is FET, a very wise speculation which by and large is very critical as of now, a genuinely broad, in every practical sense negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which in every practical sense shows that. However, before jumping kind of profound into the FET specialized examination, generally let us truly discuss the ongoing economic situations, which in every practical sense is very critical. AI support and opposition support are significant specialized markers used to explicitly separate fundamentally key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternative course. Pretty further appearance how well distributing this block BNB exchanged at 262.39 after a value change of 1.18 within a comparable time period. Fair support, in particular, is a level at which purchasers in the utilitarian sense became generally more really impressive and irrefutably thwarted the coin's cost from decreasing any further. Ordinarily further appearance how yet before leaping actually enormous into the Fed Express assessment by extending Lu acquire reenacted information. Execution, the expense of Fetch.ai is unequivocally at 43, up 7.86% in the last 24 hours. And has a weekly worth difference of 20.67, demonstrating that get copied information sponsorship and counteraction support and checked truly are fundamental express markers used to see on a very crucial level key expense levels where the model can head in a different way all around additional appearance. How while conveying this block BNB traded at 262.39 following a worth differentiation in 1.18 inside a close to time period, or so they essentially thought one-day trading volume for BTC particularly is $185,705,654.0 US, while all that considered total market cap came to $353,560,373 USD, and generally gigantic way there according to a general viewpoint are basically $818,912,300 on a very basic level are open for use out of $1,152,997,575 in a truly monster way. Get PC-based knowledge respective valuation FET cost evaluation for the 10th of June 2023 inside an extraordinarily customary time span expressly comprehended under, which particularly shows that get man-made understanding sponsorship and hindrance. Moving a resistance from an overall perspective are fundamental explicit pointers used to really see kind of key expense levels where the model can head in an other pack sort of extra appearance. How while flowing this block BNB traded at 262.39 following a worth qualification in 1.18 inside a close to time period in an honest way we use specifically relative strength record moving type of usual connection and individuality support levels of obstruction distinct time span moving midpoints including unquestionably evident moving kind of usual and significant moving kind of ordinary to truly break down the fetched future development which truly gives that bet cost streak signs of bullishness on 7 days cost chart, which sort of is extremely basic RSI presenting close overbought stage when exchanging at 61 and truly is attempting to financial backers should keep an eye out for any changes in direction over the truly ordinary graphic depicting fetch.ai. Financial backers should normally keep an eye out for any directional changes in the daily outline sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking finishes as stated by our specialized investigation data. The current number for the on Friday, the price of a token went up to $31,411 per coin, but then it started to go down again. As of 7:30 Greenwich Mean Time on Sunday, Bitcoin was trading at $30,814, which is a 0.4% rise over the past 24 hours. It's gone up about 20% in the last week and about 87% since the start of the year. But in November 2021, it will still be over 50% below its all-time high of nearly $69,000. Analysts say that the recent rise in interest from big financial companies in the cryptocurrency industry is to blame for this rise. BlackRock, which is based in the US and is the biggest asset manager in the world, put in an application to register a Bitcoin spot exchange-traded fund (ETF) last week.